Ready.
Yes guys, Jamaican Girl TV, and I'm gonna run up the famous Rocky Balboa steps in the movie. I'm gonna run up. I'm gonna try just for you guys to look at it.
Come on, Jamaican Girl TV, run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up.
Hold on. Going.
Run it up. Come on, Jamaican Girl TV, run it up. Let's go. Run it up, run it up.
Up top.
Up top, run it up. And then just lift up your hand. I say, yeah. Run it up, Jamaican Girl TV, run it up.
Wow. Oh my God. Wow, the famous steps.
Yes.
Rocky Balboa. Oh my God, this is Philadelphia. Come out, man. Hold my hands up like Rocky. Wow. Look at all the people coming up.
Wow.
Yeah, run.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah.
I made it, guys. I did it just for you guys. Okay, Jamaican Girl TV. Like, comment, share, and subscribe on YouTube. Oh my God.
This is
I'm
nice.
tired.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, going back now again.
yeah, but those people are gonna run off. This is gonna be nice.
I want to see them. See? I want to see them. Take
Yes,
time.
and guys, this is Philadelphia. Come on out. It's summertime. Come on out. Philadelphia. Rocky Balboa. Come on.
Yeah.
And look at all those work, that work over there.
Wow, beautiful.
That's nice.
All right, you're gonna take them picture.
Yeah, the people are coming up.
Yeah.
These are he's gonna wait.
Yeah. It's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah.
Jamaican.
Yes, hey, listen! Woo! Nice, beautiful. Great. Woo! That was nice. Great.
Wow.
Jamaican Girl
tell ya.
TV, that's what Philadelphia is nice. You need to come on out and check this out. Oh my, everybody's
Yeah.
doing the run like the Great Rocky. Yes, come on and check it out.
Yeah, beautiful, man.
Wow.
Wow. Good.
Nice.
Nice. Ready? Oh.
Yeah. Run on back down, guys.
Ah, Jamaican Girl TV. It is so beautiful.
Yes, it's a great day. Wow.
Yeah.
Good to be out, guys. Great to be out.
Right.
Check this out.
Oh.
Catch them going back down.
Yeah.
They're going back down, guys. Wow.
You texted me and said you want to go to the bell.
Yeah, I tell you, it's very exercising, man.
Yes. And you know what I like about it? They have the middle, when you run up like couple
The
of
rest.
steps, they have the rest thing, and you run up and you rest again, and you run up till you reach the top. I didn't know it was like that.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that guy with the hat.
Yes. Tell you. beautiful.
Look on that one with the big with the Anissa, we are going
Yes, Jamaican Girl
guys,
TV.
we are going to try to get a picture over here. Look at that bus, it's beautiful. Wow. When you come over here, you see all different.
It's beautiful. Go right there. Jamaican Girl TV.
Jamaican